We've seen a really nice evolution of Sixth Sense over the last 2 years. Every cohort, we have a meeting afterwards and we try to improve on the experience. And we have figured out a better way how to embed and combine what startups do and what Hexagon does and create results out of that.
The infrastructure is starting to be in place, the processes are starting to be in place, and knowledge and experience of what it takes to make things happen is starting to kind of solidify.
It's been a pleasure to work with people that really know exactly what they want and put it together in such a good way. The people have been great. Everyone's been super supportive.
The cohort helped us understand from what other points we could approach a use case, from technical point of view especially.
So one of the things that the program has helped me learn as a leader is really to think strategically about opportunities to grow our business.
There have been many highlights, in particular an increased awareness of what is today the technology landscape for scalability tool. So really gave me the opportunity to have an insight inside the market of what is missing and what is the right direction to take.
What makes Sixth Sense different for a startup like us is the focus on the manufacturing industry, and the expertise and insight that the Hexagon guys are able to provide on this industry to help us accelerate the value in our solution by exploring synergy with other solutions that they provide to manufacturers.
The fact that it's not just about pitching their existing technology, it's about building together with Hexagon something new. And so I think that awareness has improved, and I think we just got a lot better in how we make that happen.